Hello. Today, we are going to discuss the integration aspects from the finance side and sales and distribution side in SAP, how the integration works. Now, let us understand the overview of finance sales integration. Just in order to start that, sales invoice, if it is getting posted or accounted in sales and distribution module, then it should reflect the financial impact or the transaction entries in the SAP financial module. So for that, we need to get that accounting document, and in this FI and SD integrations, this integration we need to ensure following transactions data flow from SD module to FI module. For example, invoices, if it is posted in SD, same accounting document should flow into FI. For example, customer account debit to sales account to GST account, and so on and so forth. Similarly, the debit memo, credit memo, if it is posted in SD, should flow to FI. Posting of discounts and rebates in SD module should flow to FI module. So like there are so many transactional things are there in sales and distribution module, which we have to get it accounted for in the FI module. So this is an integration, and we have to get this integration from the FI and SD side both. So now let us understand how this FI and integration for FI and SD works. Sales order is one of the key transaction data in SD module. In the sales order, we have something called pricing procedure. This pricing procedure contains the condition types. Against each of the condition types in the pricing procedure, we have something called account key. Against each account key, we need to assign respective GL accounts. For example, export sales, domestic sales, like that, we need to assign the GL accounts. So where to assign the GL accounts against this accounts key? Each the transaction code called VKOA. Under that VKOA, we can assign the respective GL. There are multiple tables available in the VKOA. Some tables are standard and some tables we can create as well. So the combination of the characteristics or the sales org structures, for example, sales organization, distribution channel, divisions, on which combinations we can give respective GL accounts against respective accounts key. If we want to create some new combination, that also we can do, and we can complete this QA configurations in the system. So this is one way how this SD and FI integration works. Now, if we go further, we need to take note of some of the key technical details. For example, in VKOA, we might see the condition things called KOFI. Under KOFI, we can assign GL if sales order is not a cost object. So in 90% of the scenario, we should assign the GL accounts under the condition called KOFI. So in which condition we can assign the GL under KOFK? It is only one scenario where sales order is considered as a cost object, and that is very specific, maybe in some project cases or so. There only we assign the sales order as a cost object, and we assign the GL under the condition called KOFK. So this is about the technical details of the FI and SD integrations. Thank you.